remove the tire. This is the passenger side, but gonna be the same for the driver side. Remove this clip. 21 millimeter. This steering knuckle is aluminum, so you guys want to break it. So I'm gonna use this tool. There you go. Now I'm going to lose this nut. There you go. Now we can remove this one. Now I'm going to remove the outer tie rod and count the turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I'm gonna write it down somewhere over here. 20. So that way I don't forget. There in the back gonna be one of those clamps. Pull the boot out. And this is what I use to remove it. So since I'm going to lose it, I'm gonna use this, pushing like this. I'm using 2 1/2-inch drive extensions. Put them together. Got my ratchet right here. Is out. New one. Part number from O'Reilly's. Make sure you guys do not strip the threads. So now I'm gonna turn it around. So this is pushing that way. Make sure it's torque all the way down. Should be good. That's boot. This clamp is not good anymore. I'm gonna use a zip tight. Make sure the zip tight is sitting on the right place so the boot doesn't come off. This groove is where this end has to be. Put this clamp now. Put this nut back on. New one, old one. Obviously you can see that. Count 20 turns. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. And this is just to get it closer to the alignment. After you guys do this procedure, I recommend to take it to an alignment shop. The new nut on. Should be good. Now you guys can torque this down. So what you guys have to do now is put the tire back on.